Hey there! Today I'm going to teach you how to overline in Google Docs. Yes, we're putting a fancy little bar over letters like text royalty. Before we begin, smash that subscribe button. Why? Because validation is my love language. All right, let's get started. First, open your Google Doc and place your cursor exactly where you want the overline magic to happen. Now, head to the Insert menu at the top and select Equation. Congratulations! You've just unlocked the Math portal. But don't worry, we're not here to solve for x, just to make x look cooler. Now, click inside the equation box. It's like stepping into the ring and type \overline. Then hit the spacebar like you're swatting a mosquito. And, pow, you've summoned a line, sleek, stylish, and ready to party. Now type the letter or word that deserves this glorious bar. I went with X because it's mysterious, but you can overline whatever you want. Go wild, put a bar over pizza, unicorn, or even mom. The possibilities are endless, and honestly, a little weird. When you're done, press the right arrow key to exit the equation box. Ta-da! You're free, and your overlined text is ready to stun and confuse the masses. And that's it. You're officially an overline overlord. Go overline your grocery list, your favorite fruit, or your ex's name just for closure. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials delivered with extra sass. See you in the next one.